Hi guys, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan. So basically the fault is a diverter valve. You were saying your different kind of suggestions and answers. So what it was, it's had a new diverter valve fitted by another engineer, but apparently they fitted a diverter valve body which you can see at the back upside down, so the heating and hot water ports were crossed. So that's what the problem was. So what was going on, when the heating was on, like now, it was going in the wrong pipe and it was going to the hot water pipe, and when it was on for hot water it was going in the heating pipe. So that's what the problem was. The diverter valve, a lot of guys did say it was a diverter valve, but obviously you wouldn't have known that one, that it was fitted the wrong way around by a previous engineer. So that's the answer to this question. Now guys, I've got another quiz for you, because on this particular boiler what we're on, we've got another fault. So I'm going to show you the burner lighting. You can see the flame at the back there. The flame's gone off. So watch again. It's going to light in a second. Here we go. So it's lit again. So it's going to attempt to do this probably a third or fourth time, and then it's going to lock out. So the question is, do you know what the answer is to this particular problem? Going to go through the cycle again. We might do a final attempt. So what you thinking guys, what you think that problem could be? What about this? What about that? So it's lit again. So what do you think this problem is? So it's attempting again. And this is what it does. So, as I said, if you know what the answer is, I'll be glad to hear from you. Just drop us a comment and see what you come up with. So that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.